Hello everyone, this is Tejal from Submodule Software and today we will see how to add asset categories. So let's start. Just click on asset module, then select asset categories submodule. Then just click on these four dots. You will see multiple options over here. You can easily export multiple asset categories through export to Excel and export to CSV option. To create new category, just click on add category option. Then enter the description for that category. I'm just adding new asset, useful life for it. I have added 1 year. Then select the GL cost of assets. Then select the accumulated depreciation. Then select the GL depreciation. Select the marker type. If you don't get any marker type over here, then please check out my previous video how to add marker type. Then you will get this list over here. Just select one. Set active as yes and just save it. Your new asset category will be created successfully and you can easily view, edit and delete that entry through these actions. You can quick search your categories through this filter over here. And you can quick refresh your search result through this refresh button. This is how you can add your asset categories. If you get any query to add asset categories, then please connect us at contact us@sunmoresoftware.com. See you in the next video. Bye bye.